Hello everyone, this is Valiant Customs. I'm Steve. Thanks for tuning in. I am back on the 1978 Chevy C20 giveaway truck. Oh, I don't want to turn over there yet. So I got some stuff in the mail. So we're going to be able to kind of plug away at this. I'm really trying to get this truck done. So that way everybody can see it's done, driving, cruising around, whatever. Maybe that'll get the hype up to subscribe to the channel. And well, we'll just go from there. But anyways, let me turn you around and show you what came in the mail today. Yep, we got new headlight bezels. There's the old ones. There's the new ones. They were actually, these ones were only $40 or $43, somewhere around there. And I can understand why. These are metal. These are not. They're plastic, but they look good. They'll look good on the truck. So that's why I don't know, as far as appearance goes, those definitely look better than those. We'll just have to see how they go. Well, I hope everybody can see okay. Can you see back there in the back row? Okay, good. So they are plastic. Well, hopefully they'll still be presentable and fit nice and things like that. Please look good, please look good, please look good, please fit. Are you gonna fit? Come on. Well, I don't know, I gotta kind of questioning it here. I mean, they fit, but I'm not real super happy with the fit. I don't know. They're all right, I guess, but Let me show you what I'm looking at here. What I'm looking at is the overall appearance, and yes, they're chrome, they look great, but then now I got the stainless chrome or whatever from Chevy, and now they don't look so good. Oh, I don't know. I don't know if I should go ahead and put them on and just see how they do, or I do have new lenses coming for those. Well, I'm gonna have to think on this part. Got a change of plans. I did not like the parts that originally came for this. They were plastic. Just didn't care for them. They were way shinier than the stainless. So I ended up ordering another set of headlight bezels that were double the price, and come to find out, they're plastic as well. So, and I didn't get the marker lights in the mail in time or anything. Basically, we're going a different route for this video. The trucks are just gonna have to wait. So we're going to try something a little different, and leave in the comments what you think about the different content. This video, we're going to be in my garage, my old shop. Let me turn you around, give you a little look. So this is what oh man, maybe I can back out a little bit here. There we go. This is what I used to work in here, and then I also have a back section. This back section is really where I worked the most of my time. This wall was not here at the time, but there's my paint booth. This is where I worked on cars, and yeah. Anyways, today, or this video, we're gonna have a little tailgate party. We're going to work on a Stihl BR340 leaf backpack leaf blower. It will not start. I pulled and pulled and pulled on that thing and on the cord, just will not start. I think I have it figured out. So I ordered a coil for it, because I figured it wasn't getting any spark. So I ordered a coil for it. He came in the mail. Actually, I ordered more than just the coil. Just in case it's not coil, I bought a complete rebuild kit for it. Pistons, rings, jug, coil, fuel filter, gaskets. Everything a person could ever want for rebuilding one of these. Oh, spark plug. New muffler. Aw. Isn't that cute? Look at that little jug. That's so cool. Anyways, there's my coil I was looking for. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video, is getting this leaf blower running. I'm going to go ahead and, well, actually, I'll just leave you in this, and I'll just speed it up through editing. So like I said, I already diagnosed it. Well, for the most part, I think I did. And so now I'm just doing the parts on it, and we're just going to go from there. I'm going to move you guys a little bit closer. Whoa. Well, I'll give you guys vertigo or whiplash or whatever from all the turning around. I don't think I got, you know, don't think I had these tightened or very tight. I just didn't want to lose anything, so I put it all back together. Oh, and I did try starter fluid and poured fluid or poured fuel in it. Just pulled and pulled and pulled. So anyways, I didn't want you thinking that I'm just gonna swap it in here, and I diagnosed it or checked it all out. It's amazing how hard it is to get parts, and good parts that people haven't sent back that are old parts of theirs. And it is crazy times we live in. The front marker lights I ordered for the 78, those were supposed to be here 3 days ago, 4 days ago. Still don't have them. The new headlight bezels that I ordered that are plastic, one's here. I don't know where the other one is, but that one is here. It's just amazing and frustrating all at the same time on getting parts, and how suppliers are and how people are. I wonder if I should just go ahead and do a complete build, or a rebuild on it, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm just going to change out the coil, see if it starts. If it doesn't from there, the other thing I can think of is maybe low compression. And at that point, then I'll have to replace the jug and pistons and rings and all that fun stuff. Might have to start doing what Glenn over on 1776. In fact, you guys, check out Glenn, 1776 Garage. Check his channel out. He does a lot of small engine repair stuff. Anyways, what I was starting to say is I might have to be like him and start repairing motors and stuff, just so I can keep some money coming into the channel for all my bigger projects. Oh, the wife's here. Time out. Just a short intermission. So I got this out. There's a ground that's hooked to it right here. You guys can't really see that, can you? Well, come on in here, get a little closer. Check it all out. Does that help? Looks like it helps a little bit. Okay, so this was up in here, shoved in this little hole here. This little strap here was screwed in there on this for the ground. And then on the back side, there's another wire. I'll pop that off, hopefully, without breaking anything. There we go. And we'll take that one and put it on the back of the brand new one. Ooh, that's awfully loose. All right, well. Just 1 second. Can't seem to find everything that I'm looking for because I'm here in the other shop or building or whatever you want to call it. Alright, well, maybe I can get it to close up a little bit here with this. Perfect. All right, there's that. Take this. How was this in here? Like this? Was it in here like this? Nope, not like that. Alright, like this. Put this up in here. There we go. Okay. There we go. Is that the right one? Yep, that's right. Okay. Oh, hey, stand still now. Don't mean to be knocking you all around. Is that right? That still can't be right, can it? Let me bring you back. I had the bolt in the right hole. I just didn't want to force it down. Didn't want to end up cross threading it or anything like that. So, all right, now let's put this back in here.
I don't want no fat fingers with this one. Dang. There's that.
And then take this one, that little tab I was telling you about, this one here. I believe it's the ground, but I could be wrong. I'm putting the coil in and I'm leaving just a small gap on it. Between the wedge of the coil and the I don't even know what it is, like stator or something like that of the motor. Leaving a little gap like you would on a coil, or on points, I mean. I'm sure there's a certain amount of gap that you need on there, but we're just gonna put it together and see if it starts. Man, I got you guys right up in my grill, don't I? Let's turn you a little bit. There you go. Okay. And take the new coil, bring it up here, out of my way there, out of my way there. Okay, let's put that there. This on here. Grab this. It's gonna go somewhere. Somewhere right in here. Well, there's the old coil. I really hope that this fixes it. There's a little notch here on the carburetor. That's where this cable, the end of the cable goes.
Like that.
Guess I could probably use new gaskets on all of it, but yeah, let's see if this works first. Or maybe I'll just put it back together and call it good. I'm thinking that it was probably the coil, because when I was had it together and I was pulling on the cord and everything, you know, it didn't sound like it wanted to start, but not only that, I could smell the fuel. I mean, so I knew it was dumping the fuel in. So I was like, well, it's not getting a spark. So I pulled the spark plug out, ground that on here and everything, no spark. So hopefully this is it. I'm not even going to put the whole thing back together. I'm just going to put this on here and see if it starts. All right, I'm gonna readjust you over here and we'll give this a try. Make sure it's on. Oop, sorry. All right, the moment of truth. Let's see. Got that on, that. Choke. Uh-oh. It may be because it's low on compression, so I'm gonna end up rebuilding that. Same thing it was doing. It does have gas in it. It's up to here for gas. I can smell the gas. I don't know. Oops. I can smell the gas, so I would think that if it was getting sparks, setting it up here on this, the gas that's in the cylinder would burn off. I guess we'll find out. Like that. Let me bring you back in a second. I'm pretty sure it's getting a good connection, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean the hole here on the jug, and maybe we get a little bit better connection. That's kind of cool. Let's see if we can do that again. So it's got spark, got gas. Darn thing should run. So why isn't it? Oh, hey, there we go. Sounding promising. Oh, this is getting frustrating. It's getting gas, so I shouldn't have had to do that.
Alright, well. Come on, there. Let's try something else. Let's try using a new spark plug. Come on, Lord, let's start. One, two, three.
Well, what do you guys think? Starting to think I'll leave the small engines to Glenn. That's what I'm thinking. I think I'm gonna just rebuild the whole thing. I'm gonna go ahead and tear it all down and everything. You guys already saw me tear it down. At least get this part off of it, and then, you know, all this stuff here we'll do together. Something ain't right here. Ah, there we go. This probably still ain't it. I mean, I probably want you to take the muffler off of it too. But I don't have a T25 torque bit screwdriver to go down in there. Ooh, this one's a little long-winded. Well, looks like I'll be back. Looks like I'll be bringing you back because I gotta get this muffler off, and then hopefully the jug will come off after that. Sorry guys, I forgot to turn the camera back on, but I did get the jug off of it. Doesn't look real bad, but I know it was getting gas because when I took the exhaust off, it fell off with this point here, leaned over. Oh, see, and it leaking gas all over the place. So I know it's getting plenty of gas. So then the only other thing I can think of is maybe the float sticking. But I don't think these have floats. I don't know. I don't really see anything horrible with this. I don't know, guys. I just don't see anything really horrible with this. Got a lot of buildup on top of the piston.
Just don't see anything wrong with it. Oops.
Yeah, now I don't know how I'm going to get this back on here.
Ah, yes I do.
There we go. That's why. You got to have it in a certain spot.
Not pinching your fingers, hopefully. Alright, so we got that one in.
Just got to feel around for it to like fall into a spot. Now once it falls into that spot, maybe. Okay, here's that. All right, we gotta figure this out again here. Okay, that one goes in there like that. This one goes in here like this. Okay, so they both go in like this. You just smash them down the best you can, I guess. There we go. Okay. Whew. Takes a little work, but it happens. Okay, so there's that. So I wonder, how the heck does this? I guess, I guess I need to do a little bit more research on this carburetor. So let me bring you back. Just had to get all those rings lined up, and once you do that, it's pretty much kind of slides right back on. I didn't wreck any of the gaskets, so I can reuse the gaskets. I don't know if I'm gonna end up leaving it like this. I mean, could be I end up rebuilding it anyways. But I'd like to see if it runs with this old stuff in it. I'd like to see what the original problem is. All right, what's next? says H and L. I don't know if that means, I don't know what that means. I guess now, since I got this all back on, now I'll go ahead and look up how to set these. Got us some more parts. The parts hopefully we need. The carburetor. Isn't that such a cute little thing? Carburetor, gaskets, some fuel line, fuel filter. My main thing is I want to get this put in. What in the world? That'd be awesome if it's the carburetor that fixes the whole issue. It wasn't bad. I can't remember how much it was, but it was how much was that? I think it was like $20 or $25, something like that. It wasn't horrible. Now, did some new fuel line and stuff. Do I want to change that out? Nah, I think I'll just hang on to it. I gotta get some pliers. Let me bring you back. Alright, so let's get this little clip here off of this fuel line. I think I got it. Did we get it? Oh, there we go. Should be able to hopefully pull this right off, but it doesn't seem to be doing that. Oops. There we go. That's the old one. We may need to take this cap off because the old carburetor didn't come with it. So we're going to take it off anyways and swap them out. That's what we're going to do. Well, I think I forgot to turn you guys back on, but I swapped out this plate from the old carb to the new carb. Now I'm fighting with this little clip here to put it back on here. It does not want to go back on at all. I hate these little clips. Or this style clips, I should say. Don't like them on cars. I don't like them on this. So as I was saying before, I was talking to myself, and then I noticed that I wasn't recording. Was that a couple weeks ago I did a video on a silver diamond motor for international, and I decided I was gonna sell it. So I put it on Marketplace, and I have a guy coming to pick it up today. Oh, there we go. And yeah, so that'll put a little extra change into the channel, which will be nice. Go. That one. Put the little cable in there. I'm putting it together to get it running, and I still haven't figured out if I'm actually going to go ahead and rebuild the whole thing or not. Would be kind of cool to put the new jug and everything on it, or the new cylinder. Well, my main thing is I want to know if it runs even. It should, after this new carb and everything, but you never know. Guess if I rebuild it, put a whole new cylinder and everything on it, it would run, because everything's new on it. So all I got new on this is the coil and the carburetor. It's all, oh, and spark plug. I didn't change anything else out. And filter. I'm going to put a new filter on it. I mean, the kit came with it. Why not? What the heck? Okay. This. All right, well, moment of truth. I'm a little worried. No, I'm not. It'll use starter, it won't. Let me back you guys up a little. Well, we got a running leaf blower. That's awesome. I'm gonna put the muffler back on it now. I don't think I'm gonna rebuild it. I got it running. It's gonna be working. I'll just put these parts aside, and if I sell it, I'll let the parts go with it. If I don't sell it, then I got parts for if something happens to it. So I'll bring it back when I get it I'm gonna put the muffler on, that's not a big deal. Not a bad little device. I kind of like it. I may have to keep this one. So we got it running. Really sorry that it was jumping back and forth. I mean, I started on the 78, had plans of doing the 78. Parts came in. I didn't care for the parts. I think I'm gonna end up going back with the original headlight bezels, because come to find out, all they make is plastic for that anymore. They don't repop the metal, or the pop metal or casting or whatever it is that those original ones are. So I'm going back to the original. And but then we went to this, and then after the leaf, got started on the leaf blower. Parts I had ordered, the parts I ordered weren't quite exactly what I wanted, or didn't quite fix the problem, so I had to order more. But we got a working leaf blower, and I like it. So I guess with that, I'm just going to say thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment. I'd love to have comments. But again, thank you very much. God bless you, and I'll catch you on the next one.